Hello, this is Bharat Tippireddy. I'm a software architect, AI educator, and Udemy instructor with close to 1 million students across 209 countries. But this one is different because it was built using the very tool it teaches. Every slide, every role play, every document you see was created using Claude. Whether you are just getting started with Claude Chat or ready to go further with Cowork, this course will meet you where you are. In Part A, Claude Chat Mastery, you will learn how to prompt effectively using a practical framework, unlock powerful features like deep research and adaptive thinking, build interactive artifacts, and connect Claude with Gmail, Slack, and Calendar. You will use skills to store repeatable instructions, projects to give Claude persistent context across conversations, and learn how to manage tokens so you can get more from every session. Then comes Part B, Cowork. And this is where Claude shifts from assistant to collaborator. You will watch Claude read a messy folder of files, reorganize and rename them, generate summary documents in one prompt. You will build multi-step workflows where Claude plans, writes and schedules all in single session. Run tasks in parallel, set up scheduled automations, trigger workflows from your phone with Dispatch. And along the way, you will learn pro techniques most Claude users never discover. Every lecture is a live demo, real prompt, real output, real workflows you can use immediately. If you work with documents, data, research, reports, or any process that repeats, this course can change how you work.